Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today I am going to be installing a central force swivel vise, and I'm going to be installing here in my garage. I have a nice simple one. I bought this one for Harbor Freight. I don't need nothing big, so I'm going to show you what I am going to be doing in case you purchase one and you are going to be installing it in your garage or anywhere that you prefer to put it on. Now there's two ways to do this. You have three holes, 1, 2, and 3. You could go the simple way, the way I'm going. I'm just going 3 bolts, and I'm just going to be putting them right through here. They're not going to go under. They're just going to go halfway, and the wood is going to be holding it. Or you can use some other bolts and nuts that goes to the bottom, and you also tie it up in the bottom. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to be doing it this way. What you're going to need is a long extension with a 13 millimeters. With a 3/8 ratchet. This is when you put it there, you can just do it much easier. You're also going to need a pencil. You're going to need a simple pencil. You're going to need a drill. I'm hoping that this little drill will at least give me enough a hole in there, because this is like, it doesn't have a lot of power. It's the only one I have. Probably you have something better than this. I'm not going to be using my wrench. I'm going to be using my earthquake to push it in. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is, you got to pick your corner. I'm picking it this way because when I swivel it, when I move it, I also want to use it this way when I'm over here. So pick a nice little corner. And what you're going to do is, you want to make sure that it's close, and all you're going to do is just mark it with a pencil. Mark it with your pencil. Take it out, and you're going to use your drill, and you're going to drill down. Okay? I put it enough. So you got the 3. Now that you have put the 3 holes in there, you're going to size it up. You're going to take your screws and put them in. One there, the other one here. Once you have put them by hand, you want to use your ratchet and finish them, tying them up, screwing them in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to screw all 3 of them in, and I'll be right back. Remember, it's 1, 2, 3. I have a 10 millimeter socket and the long extension because it gives me leverage to move my ratchet. So I'll be right back. Now that you finish tying them up, I'm going to use my impact gun just to screw. You don't have to use the impact gun, but I'm using it just to make sure it's nice and tight. And that's about it. So you have installed your central force swivel vise in your garage or wherever you put it at. It's that simple. 3 little screws, and now look, you have a nice little spot that you can turn it. If you want to walk, or you can use it this way. You take it there, you take this, and you lock it right there. Show you how you lock it. There you go. And you do the same thing to the other one. And you lock it. And look, it doesn't go nowhere. You move this way. You turn it. And there you go. You got your swivel installed. So once again, this is Now Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if non-mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.